Hi friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to use some leftover yarn in some mini projects. I will use 5mm crochet hook, yarn needle and a cutter. First of all, we will make a slip knot. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After making 10 chains, we will increase 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2. After 2 chains, into the third chain, make a double crochet. In the next chain, make 1 double crochet. In the next chain, make 1 double crochet and make total 10 double crochets in 10 base chains. This one is the last and our first row is completed. Now chain 2, turn your work, and after that into the very first double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and repeat the process till the end without any increase. Make double crochets in every stitch. After some rows, just chain 5, after 5 double crochets, and after chain 5, make a slip stitch into the 5th double crochet, just like that. And after that, simply repeat previous process and make 1 double crochet in every single double crochet stitch of the back row. Chain 1 and pull some yarn over, cut it with a cutter. Now we will use yarn needle to join the parts. With the help of yarn needle, we will join these two parts together. Pull the yarn over 2 times from first stitch to make your work more secured, and after that just 1 time repeat the process till the end. I have joined 2 parts. Now we will add button. We will use yarn needle to join a button. just simply left some yarn tail and pull the yarn needle through back and front and into the button. Pull these two yarns and tightly make knot. Make your knot 2 to 3 times, and after that cut the extra yarn ends. So in this way you can use some leftover yarn in mini project. So this is a mini money pouch. If you like the idea, please like our video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of the new videos every day. Allah Hafiz.